Hey guys, this is the second part of the 11 things that are incredibly simple that any man can do that will make him look better. Let's begin. Number 6. If you can't grow your beard, don't grow it. Here, this is a very simple concept, but I see so many guys with only 5 or 6 facial hairs and they let it grow thinking they are growing a beard. In reality, that just makes you look dirty and messy. Number 7. Clean your beard. If you have a beard, make sure to clean the neck area. Growing a neck beard never looks good, no matter how handsome you are. It kind of shrinks your face and makes you appear cheap and like a man who doesn't take care of himself. Number 8. Make sure to have good posture. These are all the bad things that happen when you have bad posture. Your stomach protrudes, making you look fatter and whiter. Your shoulders slump, making them look rounder. It makes you look like you lack confidence and overall makes you look shorter or smaller. Number 9. Always opt for dark-colored underwear. Not only will you look or feel better when wearing dark-colored underwear, but dark colors tend to wear out slower than white or lighter-colored garments. White underwear over time starts to have a tone like off-white after a couple of wears. Those look dirty, and their stains will be more noticeable. Dark underwear is a better choice for looking better. Number 10. If you feel your hair is dry, lifeless, or lacking volume, stop washing it for 1 or 2 days. This could be a sign that you're stripping away the natural or essential oils your hair needs to be healthy. Stop washing your hair for 1 or 2 days to let the nutrients help your hair instantly look softer, feel softer, have more volume, and look super healthier. And finally, number 11, you need to get a tongue scraper. This ends up costing you like $1 or $2 at the store, but it's a device that I recommend to every man. Why? Because there are many men who don't clean their tongue. All that white stuff you see on your tongue, that's bacteria and food that's growing on your tongue, and that bacteria excretes some chemicals that give you bad breath. And that's it for today. Those are the 11 things you can do to look better instantly. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave your like, and if you haven't seen the first part, here's the video, and also don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you later.